Hey everybody, this is the Dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Wheels and Wheelchairs show at the South Point Healthcare Facility. And this is the Walkabout Cam. This is a good little show. About 30 or so cars that showed up. It was for the folks at the healthcare facility that are dealing with long-term health issues. And it was, feel good show. It was just one of those, makes you feel good to entertain those folks at the facility. And anyway, it was a good little show. Had about 30 or so cars that showed up. And so we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Make sure y'all check them out. Stop by and talk to them at those two vehicles. The fire hot blue truck and the ticket. Okay. White Camaro. Stop by, talk to them. They got flyers for you and everything. They can tell you about all the products that they're offering. All right, thank you. And we got Wonder Woman out here too. Make sure y'all check out Wonder Woman. Residents are going to pick their favorite vehicle to win an award today. Residents and the nurses. So if you see them walking around, please stop by and talk to them. Hey, big shout out to Iron Man in the building. Iron Man is out here. You're always in it. Hey, y'all moving around. Make sure y'all check out that new building out there. The new building. That thing is crazy. What's the second floor on top?
Don't see these much.
Hey, food is ready. We got Daisy empanadas. We got some Italian ice. We got hot dogs, hamburgers, all kind of stuff out there.
You ready to get out?
We got a 50-50 raffle under the pavilion also. 50-50 raffle under the pavilion. and talk to them at those two vehicles, the fire hot blue truck and the Tiffany and white Camaro. Stop by, talk to them. They got flyers for you and everything. They tell you about all the products that they're offering. We got Wonder Woman out here too. You see, I'll check out Wonder Woman. Hey, y'all moving around. Make sure y'all check out that Doomsday out there. That Doomsday, that thing's crazy. What's the second wheel on top?
Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Wheels and Wheelchairs Car Show out of the South Point Healthcare Facility. It was a great show for a great cause. We went out and showed off our cars for some folks that were at a inpatient healthcare facility, and they got to look at some cool cars, and it was just a good day for a good cause. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.